Gather around, guys, because we're about to dive into a goldmine of wisdom. Picture this, a world where perspectives shift, habits evolve, and overall well-being shoots through the roof. This isn't some far-off fantasy land, but the transformative power of self-improvement books. They're not just pages filled with words, but powerful tools that can reshape your life, one chapter at a time. So buckle up, as we're about to take a thrilling ride through the pages of the 11 best self-improvement books. First off, we're hitting the ground running with Mark Manson's The Subtle Art of Not Giving AF. This isn't your typical self-help guide. Manson flips the script on the relentless pursuit of positivity. Instead, he encourages us to embrace the negatives, the failures, the struggles, because guess what? They're a part of life too. Manson argues that it's through these less-than-perfect experiences that we can learn, grow, and truly understand what matters to us. It's about finding value in the discomfort, and recognizing that our reactions to life's challenges are often more important than the challenges themselves. So, instead of tirelessly chasing rainbows and unicorns, Manson prompts us to find meaning in the stormy weather. It's about accepting life's ups and downs, and understanding that it's okay to not be okay sometimes. The takeaway? Life isn't always rainbows and unicorns, and that's perfectly okay. Next up, we're exploring the universe with Rhonda Byrne's The Secret. This isn't just a book, it's a journey into the power of positive thoughts and feelings. Imagine your mind as a magnet, attracting what it focuses on. That's the law of attraction, a principle that's as old as time, yet so often overlooked. The Secret invites you to harness this law, to channel your thoughts towards what you desire. Picture this. Your thoughts are seeds, and your reality is the garden. What you sow, you reap. Plant seeds of positivity, and watch as your garden flourishes. The Secret is your guide to nurturing this garden, showing you how to sow seeds that yield a bounty of joy, success, and fulfillment. In every moment, with every thought, you're shaping your reality. It's like being the director of your own life's movie. And the best part? You get to decide the plot. So why not make it a blockbuster? Remember, your thoughts shape your reality. Time to tap into ancient wisdom with The Four Agreements by Don Miguel Ruiz. This book, a trove of wisdom, is founded on the principles of the ancient Toltec civilization. It offers 4 simple yet profound agreements that have the power to transform your life. First, be impeccable with your word. Understand the power of words, for they can either build or break. Speak with integrity, saying only what you mean. Second, don't take anything personally. You'll find liberation in realizing that what others say or do isn't about you, but a reflection of their own reality. Third, don't make assumptions. Clear communication can prevent misunderstandings, sadness, and drama. Lastly, always do your best. Your best changes from moment to moment, and it's about action, not the outcome. These agreements, though simple, require a deep commitment to self-improvement. They challenge us to rethink our old ideas and habits, and to replace them with a new understanding of life and reality. So make those 4 agreements with yourself, and watch as your life transforms. Now, let's dissect habits with Atomic Habits by James Clear and The Power of Habit by Charles Duhigg. These 2 books unlock the science of habits like never before. They show us how habits are not just random acts, but a result of a 3-step loop: the cue, the routine, and the reward. They illustrate that the key to forming good habits and breaking bad ones is understanding and manipulating this loop. Atomic Habits emphasizes on the power of small changes. James Clear shares that it's not about making big radical changes, but about making small, incremental changes consistently. It's about becoming 1% better each day. On the other hand, The Power of Habit dives into the psychological aspects of habit formation. Charles Duhigg reveals how our brain forms habits to save effort, and how we can use this knowledge to transform our lives. So next time you find yourself stuck in a rut with a bad habit, or struggling to form a good one, remember the science of habits. Manipulate the habit loop, embrace small changes, and watch your life transform. Remember, small habits can lead to big changes. Moving on, we're examining success with Stephen Covey's The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People. This book is a guidepost to sustainable success, providing 7 key habits that can help us reach our goals and live a fulfilling life. Covey's habits are not quick fixes. They require commitment, discipline, and a paradigm shift. The first 3 habits, be proactive, begin with the end in mind, and put first things first, focus on personal vision and self-mastery. The next 3, think win-win, seek first to understand, then to be understood, and synergize, deal with interdependence and successful relationships. And the final habit, sharpen the saw, emphasizes the need for continual learning and personal growth. Remember, these habits are not just about achieving professional success, but also about creating a balanced, rewarding life. So start cultivating these habits today and become the best version of yourself. Next, we're diving into productivity with Cal Newport's Deep Work. Now, this isn't your typical work smarter, not harder spiel. No, this is about mastering the art of deep, focused work in an age where digital distractions are the norm. Imagine a state of flow where distractions melt away, and you're utterly immersed in your task. Sounds dreamy, right? That's deep work. Newport argues that this kind of intense focus is increasingly rare, and therefore increasingly valuable in our digital economy. But here's the kicker. You can't just switch on deep work. It requires training your mind, building mental stamina. It means setting boundaries, like dedicated work hours or even days, free from the incessant pings of emails and social media. So, what's the payoff? Supercharged productivity, innovative thinking, and the satisfaction of work well done. It's about quality, not just quantity. It's about working deeply, not just working a lot, so it's time to disconnect and dive deep into your work. Now let's simplify life with Greg McKeown's Essentialism. This isn't just a book, it's a guide to decluttering your life, helping you regain control over your time and direction. Essentialism isn't about getting more done in less time. It's about getting the right things done. It's a systematic discipline for discerning what is absolutely essential, then eliminating everything that is not, so we can make the highest possible contribution towards the things that matter. In the hustle and bustle of our daily lives, we often find ourselves juggling too many balls at once and feeling overwhelmed. McKeown's Essentialism gives us the tools to sift through the noise and focus on what truly matters. It's a wake-up call to stop overloading our schedules and start prioritizing. So the next time you're feeling swamped, ask yourself, what is truly essential? What tasks or activities will create the most significant impact on your life's direction? Make the choice to eliminate the rest. Remember, less is often more. Time to toughen up with Steve Magnus's Do Hard Things. This book is not your typical self-help guide. It shatters our conventional understanding of toughness, redefining it not as a trait of the few, but as an attitude that anyone can cultivate. Magnus doesn't sugarcoat things. He tells it like it is, that life is tough, and that's okay. In fact, it's more than okay, it's necessary. The discomfort we feel when faced with challenges? That's not something to shy away from. It's a sign that we're pushing our boundaries, growing, evolving. Do Hard Things provides us with pillars for navigating this discomfort. It teaches us to lean into the struggle, to embrace the hard things, and to find strength in adversity. It shows us that the path to self-improvement is not paved with easy victories, but with the sweat and tears of hard-fought battles. So, brace yourself and embrace the hard things in life. Finally, we're ending on a high note with David Goggins' Can't Hurt Me. This isn't just a book, it's a testament to human resilience, a testament to the power of self-discipline. Goggins takes us on an extraordinary journey, a journey that sees him transform from an overweight, depressed young man into a U.S. Armed Forces icon and one of the world's top endurance athletes. The magic of this story? It's not about innate talent or luck. It's about the raw power of self-discipline. It's about pushing past comfort zones, challenging your limitations, and becoming the best version of yourself. Goggins' story is a lesson in perseverance, a masterclass in mental toughness. It shows us that the biggest hurdles aren't out there in the world but inside our own minds. And the key to overcoming them? You guessed it. Self-discipline. So take a leaf out of Goggins' book, quite literally. Embrace self-discipline, cultivate it, make it your secret weapon. Because the truth is, with self-discipline, nothing is impossible. Remember, with self-discipline, nothing is impossible. Well folks, that's a wrap on our whirlwind tour of self-improvement literature. We've unlocked the magic of Mark Manson, who encourages us to accept negative experiences as part of life, and we've delved into the secret of positivity with Rhonda Byrne. We've drawn ancient wisdom from the Toltec with Don Miguel Ruiz, and we've dived into the science of habits with James Clear and Charles Duhigg. We've also explored the 7 habits of highly effective people with Stephen Covey, and we've mastered deep work with Cal Newport. We've learned the art of essentialism from Greg McKeown, and we've embraced the hard things with Steve Magnus. Last but not least, we've discovered the power of self-discipline with David Goggins. Each of these books offers transformative lessons and strategies. They challenge the norm, inspire change, and provide a blueprint for personal growth. They remind us that self-improvement is a journey, not a destination, and that the power to change lies not outside, but within us. So, pick up one of these gems today and embark on your journey to self-improvement. Remember, the power to change lies within you. Before we sign off, I have a small request. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of self-improvement and want to continue the journey with us, hit that subscribe button. It's your way of telling me that you want more content like this. And don't forget to click the bell icon too. That way you'll get notified every time I upload a new video, ensuring you don't miss out on any future wisdom we unpack together. Thanks for watching, and always remember, the journey to self-improvement starts with you.